Welcome everyone. Welcome to Schemes in News session by Clarity for Sure classes. In this series, we will be talking about important schemes in recent times. So before starting the session, let's have a question for you all. The question is, despite the country being one of the leading exporters of generic medicines across the world, the majority of Indians lack sufficient access to the affordable medicines. Now the question starts here. X was launched in November 2008 by the Department of Pharmaceuticals and the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizer to provide quality medicines at affordable prices to public through the dedicated outlets called Y. Now, under the scheme X, we are talking the X is scheme. Under the scheme X, a one-time incentive of how much rupees? This is the question. How much rupees is provided to the outlet Y opened in northeastern states, Himalayan areas, island territories and backward areas mentioned as aspirational district by Niti Aayog, or opened by women entrepreneur, ex-serviceman Divyang, the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. Now we have to fill the blank and our options are 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh and 5 lakh. You have to find out the answer and comment your answers in the comment section. Those who know, it's very good. Those who don't know, go and find out the answer and then comment your answer in the comment section. Now let's move on with the session. Today we are going to talk about a very important scheme, that is your Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana. Healthcare should not be a luxury, it should be right. And with an aim of this initiative, the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, to provide generic medicines to every citizen of India at a very affordable prices. So now let's dive into this scheme. The very first thing, what is why this scheme is in news in recent time? Every year on 7th of March, we celebrate Jan Aushadhi Divas. And what is the aim of this day? To raise awareness about the scheme and to promote the use of generic medicines. It was launched in the year 2008 by the Department of Pharmaceuticals and the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The implementation is your Pharma and Medical Bureau of India, PMBI, society registered under the Societies Registration Act. What is the aim of this scheme? This scheme aims to provide quality medicines, as I told you in starting of the session also, at very affordable prices to the public through the dedicated outlets. The dedicated outlets are called Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendras, where you can get these generic medicines at very affordable prices. Let's move on with the next slide. What are the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana? There are basically 4 objectives of this scheme. The very first objective to be discussed is to make available quality medicines, consumable and surgical items at very affordable prices for all and reduce out of pocket expenditure of the patients. The very second objective is to popularize generic medicines among the masses and dispel the prevalent notion that low price generic medicines are inferior quality or very less effective. Now the third objective of government is to ensure easy availability of the menstrual health services to all the women across India. And the last objective is to generate employment by engaging individual entrepreneurs in the opening of Jan Aushadhi Kendra. So this fourth objective is providing employment also to the youngsters of our country through opening of Jan Aushadhi Kendra. These are the basic objectives of Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana. Now let's move on with the next slide and we will be talking about the features of Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Yojana. Now the very first feature is your 50 to 80% lesser price that of same branded medicines which we get at very higher prices. Second feature is incentive up to 20,000 per month at the rate of 20% of monthly purchases made. The third feature is your a one-time incentive of rupees 2 lakh to PMBJB Kendra open in northeastern state, Himalayan areas, island territories and backward mention. This was our question also in the starting of the session. Now you must got the answer. It's rupees 2 lakh. So by women entrepreneur, ex-serviceman Divyang and your scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The fourth feature is your medicines produced only for WHO, good manufacturing practices, certified manufacturers, by certified manufacturers. And your last feature is each batch of drug tested at labs accredited by National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, that is your NABL. Now let's move on to the next slide. What are the key initiatives of this scheme? There are basically two key initiatives of this scheme, that is your Suvidha sanitary napkins and the Jan Aushadhi Sugam app. What is Suvidha sanitary napkins? So Jan Aushadhi Suvidha oxo biodegradable sanitary napkins, which the women can get at only ₹1 per pad only. And the second one is your Jan Aushadhi Sugam app. To locate nearby Jan Aushadhi Kendra, how can we find the nearby Jan Aushadhi Kendra? Through this Jan Aushadhi Sugam app. To take generic medicines or compare the prices of generic medicines with the branded medicines which we can get easily in any medical shops. So what are the impacts of this scheme? So the number of Kendra, Jan Aushadhi Kendra have grown more than 16,000 and all district of India have been covered under this scheme. Average sales per Jan Aushadhi Kendra per month has grown to ₹1.50 lakh, which is a very good indication of implementation of this scheme across India. The cumulative sales of Suvidha napkin as on 31 January 2025 is 72 crore. That indicates that every woman now, maximum women of the across India is getting benefit of this scheme. Now let's move on to the next slide. So we talked about this question in the starting of our session. What is the answer, as I discussed in the session also? So the X was launched in November 2008 by Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemical Fertilizer. Here X is your scheme which we talked about. A one-time affordable prices to public through dedicated outlets called Y. Here Y is the Suvidha Kendra, Jan Aushadhi Suvidha Kendra. Under the scheme X, matlab under the scheme Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, a one-time incentive of how much? So as we discussed in the session, of ₹2 lakh is provided to the outlets open in these northeastern states, Himalayan areas, island territories and so on. So that's all for the session which we talked about the scheme. Hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel and we will be meeting in the next session. Thank you.